Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the dialog boxes in JavaScript. JavaScript supports three important types of dialog boxes. These dialog boxes can be used to raise an alert or to get confirmation on any input or to have a kind of input from the users. Here we will see each dialog box one by one. First, alert dialog box. An alert dialog box is mostly used to give a warning message to the user. Like if one input field requires to enter some text but user does not enter that field, then as a part of validation you can use this alert box to give warning message. Here this is the syntax of alert box. An alert box can still be used for friendly messages. Alert box gives only one button OK to select and proceed. Let's see the example. Actually, we have already seen this kind of examples in our previous tutorials to give alert messages. So here this is the example for alert box. Here this function contains alert and alert box contains the strings. We can pass the string to the alert and alert box will show this string. Here I have used button and on-click event. We will discuss about event in our next tutorials. Let's see the output. Here, when I will click on this button, the alert box will pop up. So here it is. This alert box will give you only one option, OK. Now let's see the confirmation dialog box. A confirmation dialog box is mostly used to take user's consent on any option. It displays a dialog box with two buttons, OK and cancel. If the user clicks on OK button, then the window method confirm will return true. If the user clicks on cancel button, then confirm will return false. This is the simple syntax for confirm dialog box. Let's see the example. This is the example for confirm dialog box. Here confirm and then we have passed this string to confirm. Confirm method returns true or false value. We are storing this value into variable r. So if r is true, then this alert box will be opened, else this alert box will be opened. Here I am going to press this button. So here it gives two options, OK and cancel. If I will press OK, then confirm method will return true. And if I will click on cancel, then confirm button will return false. Press OK. So here we have another alert box. You pressed OK, as we have written in our example. Let me try this again for cancel. Now I am going to press cancel button. So you pressed cancel. Now let's see our third dialog box, prompt dialog box. The prompt dialog box is very useful when you want to pop up a text box to get users input. Thus it enables you to interact with the user. The user needs to fill in the field and then click OK. The dialog box is displayed using a method called prompt, which takes two parameters. First, a label which you want to display in the text box, and second, a default string to display in the text box. This dialog box will give you two buttons, OK and cancel. If the user clicks on OK button, then the window method prompt will return entered value from the text box. If the user clicks on cancel button, then the window method prompt will return false. Here this is the simple syntax for prompt. First, this is simple text, and here it is default value. This is the optional default value. Now let's see the example for prompt dialog box. Here this is the example for prompt dialog box. Here prompt contains first a simple label value. Please enter your name, and then it contains this default value, test, and whatever user will enter into text field, that text will be stored into name variable. Then here we have used some validation. If name not equal to null, then hello plus name, this is the text what the user have entered, and then this message. Then we will alert this string. Okay, so let's see the output. Here I am going to press this button. Yeah, here this is the default value that we have written in our example. Now I am going to change it using John Cena, and then press OK. So here we got hello John Cena that we have written in prompt box, and our message, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. Okay.